Today, we are walking through the order to invoice cycle when using Orderful as your EDI provider. The process begins when your retailer or trading partner sends a purchase order through EDI into Orderful. Orderful converts that purchase order to be ingested by your system of record, where a sales order is generated. After successful generation of the sales order, an acknowledgement of that purchase order is sent to your retailer or trading partner via Orderful. If the fulfillment of the order is being performed by a third-party logistics provider, then a warehouse purchase order is sent out to the 3PL. The 3PL will then confirm that warehouse purchase order with a warehouse shipping advice. The confirmation of the shipping is then sent to the retailer or trading partner via Orderful through an ASN or shipment notice. The next and final step would be the sending of the invoice via Orderful through to your retailer and trading partner. This concludes that order to invoice cycle when using Orderful as your EDI provider.